in a world where digital overload is becoming the norm. Hobbies have taken on a new role, not just as entertainment, but as tools for mental balance, personal branding, and even income. While some pastimes have faded, others have evolved, giving rise to a fascinating trend: the rise of hybrid hobbies, activities that blend creativity, mindfulness, and digital fluency. These aren't your grandma's pastimes. They're part art, part therapy, and part strategy for navigating modern life in 2025. One of the hottest hybrid hobbies today is digital journaling combined with mood tracking. This isn't just writing in a diary. 2025 style journaling involves aesthetic layouts, mood stickers, habit trackers, and even synced wearable data from fitness bands. Users often share their layouts on Pinterest or Instagram, turning their journals into both a form of self-expression and a visual brand. More than 70% of Gen Z hobbyists report using journaling apps like Notion, GoodNotes, or Journey. The hobby taps into three human needs: reflection, creativity, and social interaction, albeit through curated visuals. This makes it not just mentally nourishing, but also easily monetizable for those who build audiences around their aesthetic formats. Another surprisingly enduring trend is the resurgence of modern calligraphy and lettering, boosted by the tactile craving in a digital age. While the tools have become more advanced, think smart pens, reusable calligraphy tablets, and pressure-sensitive styluses, the core appeal remains the same: the meditative motion of ink on paper. This hobby thrives on aesthetics. Lettering artists often showcase their work through before and after photos, time-lapse reels, or mood boards. What's particularly new in 2025 is the Calligra Challenge trend, where global hobbyists get the same word or quote and submit different visual interpretations weekly. It fuels both creativity and community, and again, makes for fire content in a poster-style format. A third trend that's making waves is DIY scent crafting, especially the fusion of aromatherapy and design. Hobbyists now blend their own candle scents, create solid perfumes in resin molds, or craft wax tablets infused with personalized themes, like Cozy Rainy Day or Tokyo Night Market. This hobby blends chemistry with storytelling. Enthusiasts often visually document the process: ingredient flat lays, color-poured wax, and final packaging that looks straight out of a concept store. With supply kits now available by subscription, it's more accessible than ever, especially for creators looking to build niche content or even launch microbrands from home. Finally, the rise of aesthetic puzzle curation is redefining how people relax. This isn't about dusty jigsaw boxes anymore. In 2025, puzzles are designed as art pieces: modular designs, dreamy landscapes, illustrated quotes, or stylized cultural symbols. People no longer complete puzzles just to finish them. They frame them, trade them, or share step-by-step progress on social feeds. Some platforms allow users to custom design puzzles from digital art or photography. It's a calming, screen-light hobby that still fits perfectly into the visual storytelling that drives modern social content. For podcasters and creators, it's an ideal niche: audio-friendly to describe, image-rich to promote. Each of these hobbies holds a common thread. They're not just things people do. They're extensions of who they are in a hyper-connected age. They offer mindfulness, a sense of achievement, and a way to build a visual identity. And for the content creator, that's the sweet spot where passion meets platform.